Welcome. If you've ever noticed Telegram showing distances in miles instead of kilometers, you're not alone. The good news is, switching it to kilometers only takes a few seconds, and in this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide open with several options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience, including privacy, notifications, and display preferences. Now, inside Settings, scroll down a little and find Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Once you're inside Chat Settings, keep scrolling down until you reach a section labeled Other Settings. This is where Telegram hides some of the smaller but useful customization options. Here you'll see an option called Distance Units. Tap on it to open the selection menu. Finally, choose kilometers from the list. As soon as you select it, the change is applied instantly. There's no need to save anything, and that's it. From now on, any distance-related information in Telegram will be displayed in kilometers instead of miles. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're more familiar with the metric system. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to customize your app exactly the way you like it.